In this session, we are going to use that how we can use a quiz assignment option in Google Class. If you want to create a quiz for your class, then we can use a quiz assignment option in the Google Classroom. To design a quiz assignment, let's go and see that how we can design a quiz assignment for my class students. So to come back to your class, simply go to your classes option and you can choose the class. So I come back to the dashboard and I want to create a quiz for my business administration class. I can click on the business administration link, and when you click on this link you will be enter over here. So now if you want to create a quiz assignment for your students, then go to the code classwork, and when you enter in the classwork, so you will see automatically we are over here. So right now I want to let me delete this quiz from here. So I will create another quiz for my student. Simply what I will do is, so let's say we want to start a particular quiz for the management class. So what I can go is, I can go to create option and click on quiz assignment. So when you click on the quiz assignment, you will see the particular dashboard will be open, and by default one blank form will be coming for entering the question in the particular Google form. So you will see you can also attach a particular video or a particular file for your students by using these options. But right now let's see how we can create a quiz for the students. So I will write here, so quiz 1 for BBA students. Please use the Google form to see the questions. So now what we will do is, we will first of all edit this blank quiz form. So we simply click on the blank quiz. You will see it will be automatically open in another tab of the browser. You will see this particular interface will be open in the front of you. So first of all what you need to do is, you need to change the name of the quiz. So let's say I will say here, this is a quiz for the BBA students. So I will write here, I will say BBA quiz 1. So here also I can change the name. So I will write here BBA quiz 1 description only for management class students. So I will come over here. Now you will see here we have a number of options to create a question. What you can add in this kind of questions, you can add you can import a question also. If you already have any question design in your system, simply you can click on this and that question will come over here. You can create, add or title the description, you can add a picture, you can add a video, or you can add a section. So first of all we will use a very simple question we will make over here. So simply what we'll write here, that in business management how many principles are defined. Let's say this is the question for my students. Now it is a multiple choice question for the students, so simply are defined. So this is the question, so I am giving the answers over here. 14th, let's say add, I said 12. You can say, you can add a number of, so you can see I have entered the value. Now I'm going to, I want to make this question as a mandatory for the students, so I will click over here. Okay, now if you want to give an answer key, so you can give an answer key also. So the right answer is 14th. Okay, I click on done. So if, let's say if you want to edit the question, so you can go over here. So simply what you have to do is, so you can say I write a question, I make it mandatory that student has to answer this question. Now I want to create an answer key, so you can simply click on answer key, and when you click on answer key you can give the right answer, and if the student will select the right answer, how many marks student will get. So I said student will get 2 marks over here. And if you can give the feedback, so you can add a feedback also. So if it is a incorrect answer, then we will say this question answer is incorrect, try again, or you can say better luck next time. And if it is a correct, I can click on the save. Okay, so now this is the feedback I have added. If you want to edit the feedback, you can go here and click for the answer. Your answer is right. Okay, I click on the save button. So as you will see, I have mentioned the feedbacks over here for the correct and for the incorrect answer. Now click on the done button, and once you click on the done button, you will see everything is ready right now. Okay, so everything is ready. So simply what you will do is you can close the form, and once your form will be closed, you will simply come back over here, and simply you have to refresh the page. Simply click on refresh. So you will see this is the quiz which is ready for the student. Now I will select the points. So I said I want to assign the 2 point to the students, and how many students you want to assign, you can select the number of students. If you want to assign this question to the entire class, then select the entire class from here, and I can send this question to all the class members. Now if you want to select a particular subject, you can choose a particular subject also. Like I want to send only to my business administration class, so I said for business administration. Now if you want to create a due date, again you can select a due date from here, or if it is belongs to a particular topic, so you can click on the topic. So I will say it is belongs to principle of management, so I select over here, and simply what I will do is I will click on the assign button. So if you want to assign this quiz to the student, then click on assign button, and you will see when you click on the assign, this question quiz will be assigned to the particular class student for the further answer. So now you will see this question is already assigned. Right now you have assigned to a one particular students, and you will see right now 0 student has submit the answer. So now let's go back to the student panel and see that how student will attempt this particular quiz. Now we come to the student panel. So simply I click on the business administration class which I am studying from my teacher, and you will see when we will open the class, you can see in the classwork they have received a quiz, or in the stream also it is the information is coming that your teacher has sent you one particular quiz. So if you want to see the quiz, then go to the classwork, and you will see in the classwork simply you will get this question, and you will see under the principle of management we have a quiz for the BBA students. So I will click on this particular quiz. So you will see that if you want to see the particular assignment, so simply I need to click on the quiz form and to see the particular question. So when a student will click on this particular form, so you will see the whatever questions are given by a teacher in the Google form, it will be displayed to the student, and student will respond that particular answer to their particular student. So now you will see. So we have a BBA quiz one only for management class students. So how many management principle are there? So let's say I select 14. So if my question is 14, so when you click on the submit button, so you will see what will happen. So you will see that response submitted, assignment marks are done. So now click on the score. If the student want to see his score, so you can click on the view score. So you will see his answer is right. So by default automatically the score will be displayed to that particular student, that how many score he has got in this particular response. So you can see that the student is able to see that how many marks he has got. So your answer is right. So this is a student will get this information that his answer is right whichever he is selected. So in this way student can respond the question. So now you can come back to the teacher panel, and you will see that how many students has answered the question. So right now it is 1. So when you want to see the response, click on this option, and you will see that the Google BBA form will be displayed for you. And if you want to leave a particular message for the student, so you can leave a message also. So you can write here that your marks are 2 out of. So you can see I have assigned the 2 marks to the student, as well as I can leave a comment also if I want to leave. And if I will click on the BBA quiz 1 option, so you will see that this is your question which you have designed for your particular student. So in this way we can create a quiz for a particular student, and I can leave him a message also, and I can give him any assignment while sitting at home. So in this way we can use the quiz assignment option in the Google Classroom. So in the next video I will tell you that how we can use the people option in the Google Classroom, and how we can invite the teacher and student to join a particular class, and after that we will see that how we are working on the grading system in the Google Classroom. So please keep watching and keep continuing.